1.1 Place Value. Hello everyone, my name is Attila. Welcome to our 52-week program Grammar School Admission Test, Year 7 Admission Test, or SATs. Today we will discuss place value. If you are in Year 4 or 5, this is the best time to practice and prepare for the Year 7 admission test. At this stage, you have already learned the place value. We will refresh your memory and practice place value further today. Numbers are made of digits, and the value of a digit depends on its position in a number. Let's find the place value of a 7-digit number. 2,436,927.
Thank you.
We identify the position from right to left. The structure is ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, millions, and so on. Here we have 7 ones, 2 tens, 9 hundreds, 6 thousands, 3 10,000s, 4 100,000s, and 2 millions. An example of a common question in the grammar school admission test might be, how many tens are in 257? Ignoring the hundreds value. Here we have 5 tens. Let's do some practice. Number 1. Can you find the place value from the following numbers? Let's solve together. A. 5 in 2459. We start from the right, and 5 is in the second position. So from the table, we can see that the second position is tens. So the answer is 5 tens, or 50. C. 1 in 21,793. 1 is in fourth position from the right. From the table, we can see that 1 is in the thousands place. So the answer is 1,000 or 1,000. Let's try another one. F. 9 in 395,865. Here, 9 is the fifth digit from right to left. From the table, we can see that the 9 is in the 10,000 place. So the answer is 9 10,000s or 90,000. Isn't it easy? Do the rest, and if you need any help or answers, please leave a comment and we will reply with answers. Practice questions 2. Swap the digits and write down the new numbers. Swap the 10,000s and tens digits, and swap the hundreds and ones digits. A. 54,890. Here we have 9 in the tens position, 5 in the 10,000 position, so just swap 5 with 9. The new number will be 94,850. Can you try the rest? Do not worry if you cannot find the answer. Just leave a comment, and we will give you the answer in the comment section. Practice question 3. Write down the number in digits. Write in digit form. A. 6 tens, 5 hundreds, and 1,000. B. 9 hundreds and 1 ones. A. Here we do not have ones, so we put 0 in the ones position, then 6, then 5, and finally 1. So the number is 1,560. Please try B. If you need help, please comment. Practice question 4. Write down the new numbers from the given digits. Let's try A. 2, 5, 9, and 0. Largest number. Here we have 4 digits. So we put the biggest digit, or 9, in the 4th position first. Then 5, then 2, and then finally 0. So the biggest number is 9,520. For the smallest number, we put the smallest digit, or 0, in the 4th position. Then 2, then 5, and finally 9. So the smallest number we have is 259. Please try B. If you need help, please comment. Practice question 5. Arrange the numbers from the smallest to the largest. A. Here all the numbers are 3-digit numbers. So the smallest number must have the smallest digit in 3rd position. We have 2 numbers with 2 in the 3rd position. 255 and 225. So we will check the tens position. 225 has 2 tens, and 255 has 5 tens. So 225 is the smallest number. So the answer is 225, 255, 522. Remember, a number with more digits is bigger than a number with a fewer digits. For example, 115 is bigger than 15. 89,000 is bigger than 9,000. Please try B. If you need help, please comment. I am sure you understand place value more clearly now. Let's move on to our second learning topic. 1.2. Writing numbers. It is easy to write numbers when you can successfully identify the place value of a number. However, we start writing from left to right. For example, the number 254 has 4 ones, 5 tens or 50, and 2 hundreds or 200. So the written format is 254. It is also easy to convert a written format into numbers. For example, 6002. Here we have 6,000, 0 hundreds, 0 tens, and 2 ones. So the number is 6002. Practice question 6. Write the numbers in words. A. We start writing from the left. We have 2 in the hundreds place, or 200, 4 in the tens place, or 40, and 7 in the ones place, or 7. So the answer is 247. Can you try B and C? If you have the answers, please comment. Practice question 7. Write in digits. Please try the questions. If you need help, please comment. Practice question 8. A. Mr. Bean's antique car sold on eBay for 8,113,981. Write the amount in words. B. The 2021 census shows that the London Borough of Sutton has a population of 209,602. Write the amount in words. Let's try B. Let's put the number in the chart. So, the amount in words is 209,602. Please try A. If you are struggling, please ask Mr. Bean or leave a comment and we will reply with the answer. Practice question 9. Identify the larger and smaller number. Please try number 9. If you need help, please comment. You can get all these practice questions and many more with answers in our book 11 Plus Maths Genius. That's all from 11 Plus Maths Genius for this week. Next week, we will learn the sequence of a number. So please subscribe and don't miss any lectures, mocks, tips, or fun. Until then, be vigilant when you are outside. Stay safe, stay healthy, and practice more.
Eleven Plus Maths Genius. For grammar school test in England, Year 7 admission. We have a 52-week programme, 52 lectures, 52 mock tests, and 52 tips and fun. Don't miss anything. Please subscribe and join 11 Plus Maths Genius today.